So you may have an LG dryer and it starts doing weird things with the door. This has the double function where it can open this way or it can open to the side. And this one starts doing this where it doesn't hold itself up anymore and makes this kind of loud popping noise when you try to close it. And we're gonna fix that today. It's not a big problem. It's actually, there's a crack right here in this hinge point. So I'm gonna show you where that is, how you can fix it, what parts you need, all that, so you can get your dryer back in shape so you don't have to deal with this and so the problem doesn't get any worse. So let's fix this problem together. So what is the problem? If we open up the door here and you look real close, you can see this section here actually is supposed to hold this hinge point. But what happens is, let me show you, open it from the side. And if you look down here real close, you can see that the cast metal here, I'm not sure, I think this is probably cast aluminum, but whatever this is made out of, this cast metal here cracks right across here, all the way across, which basically means this lower part becomes further down and there's more space in between right here, and then the door starts to fall out of the top holder there. So it no longer holds the door. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this piece today. Luckily and unluckily, this is a big problem on these dryers. Luckily, because it's a big problem, this part's pretty easy to get. All right, so as we get ready to fix this, I went ahead and picked one up. These are available, you can find them a lot of places. I'll give you an Amazon link here for this one that I'm using. And basically it is the hinge point. It's an LG dryer door hinge. It's got the model number and stuff. I'll drop all that for you in the description and in the comments down below. But you can see that it's just the exact same piece. And it's not cracked. The crack that we could see on this one is right along that inside there. So it's cracked right along here, right along here. You can see that's a pretty thick piece of metal, and it's just a problem because you get all that pressure. Probably little kids pushing on the door, people setting baskets on the door and stuff like that, and it's just not a strong enough point. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this one. 3 screws here. And as you can tell, not supposed to do that. It's broken right along there. It is cast, looks like it's cast aluminum. Just not strong enough for what it needs to do. And so there's our top one. The bottom piece is still stuck here because it's not attached. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these screws. Just set those to the side. This is the new one, new and fresh. Just gonna take these screws, pop them back in here. Make sure to get them started nice and not cross-threaded. Just put it in loosely to start. Until you get all 3 in. And once you get all 3 in, then you can go ahead and tighten them up. All right, so that took about 5 minutes. This is your old hinge point here, broken in half. That's our new one that we got. Go ahead and close it. And now it holds like it should. No more of that popping, no more of that clang. The door doesn't drop down where it used to. Closes nice and easy. Opens and closes to the side perfectly. And so that took about 5 minutes, got rid of that problem, and you can be back on track with your LG dryer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment. Remember, the parts are available down there in the description and also in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.